So now we have the data frame or table, row and column that contain inflation, CPI, and another table or data frame containing exchange rate, right? So let's put them together. This one, if you have to done it through like Excel, it may take you time, or sometimes the merging a table in Excel is very complicated, but when it comes to Python or other programming language in general, it should be easy. So this one can be done quick. Okay, so here we go. Let's combine US CPI and UK CPI together. So let's put the name of the two table right here, right? So here's the UK CPI. Yep. So you know that at the beginning, I intentionally make the year-month column, and I will use the year-month column to join the data. For example, this row. Okay, row number 4 here. Yeah, you see row number 4. The beginning and the ending of that. Yeah, row number 4. Yeah, they should match based on the year month, which is May of 1990, many years ago, right? Yeah, I don't want to fall in a situation where it is the May of 1990, but for one data it is May 5th and the other is May 1st. That is why we convert all into year month. Now, once we set it up like that, thing is very easy. Now we create a new table or new data frame called join data frame or full data frame, So we use the function merge from the Panda package. So Panda is here with the short name of PD. So now Panda merge, and we list the two table here, US CPI, comma, UK CPI, so those two table, okay? Yeah, and then of course there is a comma to separate, and then we say, okay, what column we use as a key to join the two table or two data frame. So we say, oh, I use a month, year. That's it. How simple it is. It is a little bit similar to like a VLOOKUP in Excel, but it can be made very much complicated, okay? So let me print it out. Oops, let me see, what's the problem? Month, year, okay? So I think month, year. Okay, this one is year month. Okay, this one is year month. Year month and year month. Okay, so let me join it. So over here, what we see is, okay, here's a date, here's a US inflation, and here's a UK inflation, right? Okay, yep, because both data frame have date, that is why it gives the name date X and date Y, okay? So we will remove some later. You know what? For the UK CPI, so basically all I need is to get a few columns. So I only use that column year month. I don't want to keep the date, so I don't include it there. I put it UK inflation, and then of course UK inflation and UK CPI. So in this case, we exclude the date, so it will not have the date X, date Y. Yep, you see, that look good now, look beautiful. Okay, so now let's join the inflation data with the exchange rate. So in the previous video, here's what we did. And when we print out, okay, we haven't put the year month column yet. So we have to make it just like here, So here we go. After I add that column month year, so we have that one. The exchange rate have column month year. Now let's join. Yep. So our table is here. Data frame, join data frame. So pd.merge. So let me copy everything. So we join that data frame and the USD, GBP, USD, okay? Now, in that, we keep only what year month and this one. This is exchange rate, right? Yep. So on year month as usual. So after we join, let's print things out and see. Oops. GBP. Okay. GBP. Yep. You say it's not defined. Yes. Typo. Oops. Okay, you know what? Oops, this one I put it month year, so that's why. Okay, so let me copy it here. Yep, so now all of the data have year month, and year month, so it should be fine now. So let's run. Okay, so our data is combined, and date, for each date we have US CPI, we have US inflation, we have UK CPI, UK inflation, and the exchange rate. So in the next video, we can start calculating the forecasted exchange rate based on the purchasing power parity. Thank you. Bye-bye.